Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to compare the difference in clipping between the Safari clippers and the Miller's, oh, I'm so sorry, and the Miller's Forge. Okay, so with the Safari clippers, I'm able to get a good clip on the side, but it lacks precision and I can't really control how much I clip, so it feels a bit riskier, but it has a better angle. I'm not even gonna try doing the alternative cut line with the Safari. You can also hear the difference between the two clippers. The Safari is much louder than the Miller's Forge.